Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I am going to demonstrate you how to use your Docker image and push into the web app to run your application. So here my simple .NET Core application, when you run it, it's just a simple hello world application, and I already used this application in our previous example. Now I'm going to use they give you the simple hello world. Now I am going to use the Docker image or create the Docker file and deploy the Docker image into the Azure Web App. So first start with I am going to create the Docker image. Click on Docker support. Now I am choosing the Linux Docker and default version is 9. Click on OK. So it will automatically generate your entire file based on your project configurations. Now I'm going to run this application to check in a Docker container. So I'm choose it to container. You can skip this; it's not required, but you can for testing purpose you can check it. So make sure you have the Docker installed and running. So my Docker is already installed and running. Here you can check this is the already deploy and the container is ready. Now just hit the URL. So it's working. Here you can check if the same application is working in the Docker. Now I am going to push this image into the Azure Web App. So first I am going to create new web app. So go to here, then app services. Now create web app. Now give the resource name rs my web app. Okay. Now give app name my web app. This is not available Central India. We check for India location. My web app demo. Just give the unique name. So it's available now. I'm not deploying the code. I'm deploying the container. So I'm using the Linux container in Central India. Then click on the create. Here I'm using the default plan because I'm using the free version. So I'm going to use this one, or you can use this one. Click on the review. Now just click on the just wait till the application is created. Now click on the create. It's a preview what you have choose. Click on the create. Initializing the deployment. It will take some time depending upon. Now application is deploy in progress. We can check the status here. Deployment in progress also, and same thing here, deployment in progress. All this status is okay. Go to resources. Now the app is ready. Now I have to create the container. So just duplicate this tab. Now here go search for container registry. Now create the container. Now select the existing resource group, or you can create the similar. Now give the my web app container, give the unique name, location Central India, automatically create the URL. Now role permission RBC registry. Click on the create plus review. Now click on the create button. Now mm, click on the it will deployment in progress. Just wait. Now go to resource, go to IS manage and access control. Now click on the add role assignment. You have to give the permission to read, to pull the container. So click on the next. Now before going to this, I have to manage the, go to the manage identity, select member, but as you can see there is no resource group is available here. So what you have to do, go to your app. Now go to the identity and just enable status. System assign enable and click on the save. Click on the yes. Enable. Now again come close this, select. Now again close it, go back, click on the add assignment. Now again select, click on the next, select manage identity, select. Now it will show your app. So you can select app services. Now this will your app. So if it is not visible here, so make sure you have enabled this system assignment. Now click on the select, then review and assign, add assignment role here. Now you can check here from go to your my web app, click on Azure role assignment, you will see the role here. If you able to see the request, pull request or Azure container, that means you have successfully assigned the role and permission. Now I'm going to deploy the image in this web app. So if you can go to home, overview and check the URL, by default it show some Linux default application message. Because it's the first time, so it will take loading some time. Now it's a default message. Now we have to upload the application. So here, right click on your application, click on the publish. Now add profile, select on Azure, click on the next. Now we have to choose the Azure Container Registry, click on the next. If you are not logged in, so you have to log in. I am already logged in, this is why it not asking for the login. Now my resource, my container, the name is same as we have created my container. Now click on the next, use that Docker desktop, finish. Now I'm renaming the tag, edit tag, we can say custom v1 and click OK and then publish. So it will go your, as you describe the Docker file, like creating the SRC, copy your project, run, then create the folder, then build your application, then it will be run and publish. Then finally is waiting, then waiting push, then again, yeah. So finally successfully pushed Docker image with the tag v1. So now I am going to check whether it's coming or not. So go to services in your my web app container, services repository. So you have to see the main my web app. In my web app you can see the tag v1. Now I am going to my web app demo, then go to the deployment center. Now go to the main, just change your Azure Container Registry, then choose my container, then select use system assign, then image name. The image name is my web app, then the tag is v1 and port number is we define in our Docker file. So 8080. Now click on apply. Say successfully. You can check the log. Now just refresh this page. So it will take some time to load the files. Just wait for 1 minute. Yes, okay. Just again try to open. So it will take some time. So after approximately 30 or 40 seconds, you can see the changes. It will show you the what we have deployed. So in this way, you can use the image and deploy into web app. Now, what if I am going to change something and deploy again? Let's say I have modified the code and we have to use v2. Now v2 version I am going to deploy. Just click change in the code and click on the publish. Edit the tag v2 and click OK. Now click on the publish. Now it's again compile on all those things, or lever already exists. Now it will be pushed with the where we take 2 tag 2. So again we can confirm, go to container repository, my web app. Now you can see that 2 tag available, but currently our application is working only on v tag v1. Now I'm going to change it. Go to deployment center again, go to main, then change here v2, click on apply. Now just wait for some time and refresh. Then again wait to some 30 to 40 second. It will be reflect the changes. Now as you can see, v2 is available here. The benefit of this, if you can find any issue in the updated or the new tag, so you can easily revert your application to the old one without any issue. So you just have to change here, go to here, suppose if you getting any error or any fine, so just change the V1 and click on the apply, then it automatically without any issue changes to the V1. Just wait, it will again back to the original. Just again wait for the 30 seconds. So you can see the V2 version is gone and it's working on the V1 version. So in